What's up, besties? We are entering into a new month. We are actually entering into the 6th month of the year. So I'm going to be planning for June, planning when I get paid, what I have to pay, any activities or events that I have for the month of June, and how we're going to be successful as we close out the first half of the year. So if that is something that you're here for and you want to watch, then just go ahead and stay tuned. If this is your very first time here, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel I talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. If that is your thing, subscribe to the channel. And if you are returning bestie, hey girl, hey, I am super excited that you are back for yet another video. I also just want to quickly say happy Memorial Day to you and your families. We're definitely remembering those who fought for us to be free. And so I am recording this on Memorial Day, and so I want to stop and say that. But this video is good all year round. It's a forever green video, so you can watch this anytime and it'll work out for you. Aurora says hi, so if you guys can hear her crying, she's saying hi. All right, let's get into it, guys. So like I stated, we are going into the second or the last month of the first half of the year, and so I'm going to be looking at the end of June. I'm going to be going back to take a look at the first 6 months of the year to see what we've done, if we've accomplished any goals, and so forth. However, what I do want to do is I want to go back to my goals that I did have, that I set forth for myself, and just make sure that I'm on track. And looking at that, let's see, finances. Okay, so this is my payday routine, my goals. Okay, so complete 9 months of a no spend. I will be doing a no spend in the month of June. And for income, I was looking at 60K in side hustle money, 5K minimum a month, and then invest in a Roth IRA. That's something that I'm thinking about doing. Let me note, well, let me not get ahead of myself. The payday routine, I think, is working pretty well. And quarterly review bills, review goals, so we'll be doing that. Okay, so I think I am good. The very first thing that I'm gonna do with, well, actually I'm gonna start here, and I am going to state out what my priorities will be in the month of June. And I'm gonna use the purple pen, and I'm gonna jot those things down, and then I'll be right back to talk about them. All right, so let's take a look at my priorities for the month of June. I have 3 of them. The first priority is to increase my side hustle income, minimum 5K. For the last couple of months, I don't think that I've hit that. Well, not think, I have not hit that. And going back and taking a look at my goals, my goal was to do 5K a month. So it's important that I look at my strategies and just look at different ways that I can generate income and achieve that in the month of June. The second priority is to open up a Navy Federal account. In the last video that I did, a lot of besties, a few besties were recommending that I open up a Navy Federal account. And so I am able to do so. So I am going to take a look at the different checking accounts that they offer, because I have wanted to start a relationship with Navy Federal. So it may start with a checking account or a couple checking accounts, and if I really like them, then I will be moving all of my checking accounts over to Navy Federal, I think. I don't know. But I am gonna definitely look into Navy Federal and what they have to offer. And Then of course the third priority is to do a no spend month for me to get prepared for summer. My summer is going to start in July. I do want to be outside. There's different things that I want to do. So I want to have a no spend month in June, but then also start a summer envelope where I will save money so that I can go out and do things and explore and go outside and have different experiences. I may not have to spend money on everything, but there may be some things that I do have to spend money on. And so for June, I want to have that no spend month because July I will be outside. Yes, I will. And as far as the important thing, I'm not going to complete that right now. I see that it is Father's Day and Juneteenth. So that is something that I do want to remember, that it is Father's Day. So now I am here at my full month calendar, and I'm going to be using stickers to create this spread. And I need some new stickers. I need to order some because I'm really almost out, and I really do like my spreads to look pretty. So I need to hit up Isis Ella Jules. I need some more doll stickers. Her stickers are so pretty. And so let me see what I do have, because I'm going to be setting this up. I don't want to spend too much time on the setup, but let's see. I probably will use this doll, I guess. I want some stickers where the girls look summery. Or should I do this one? Because this one I could do the days of the month. Okay, so I'm gonna take a few moments to set up my spread for June, and then I will come back and we will chat.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Let's talk about what we have going on in June. So these are the bills that I have due on the 1st of June. My normal mortgage, HOA, internet and cable, ADT, and Sirius XM. And then I have my electric bill, which is due on the 7th. I have a meeting on the 8th at my church, so it's just something I don't want to forget. And then I have on the 15th life insurance bill, tax bill, and then my gym bill. And then on the 20th, I have my car. I say car and home insurance, but it's really just the car insurance. The home insurance is already taken care of through my mortgage company, and then I'm paying them back. So it's really just the car insurance, so $175, and then Hulu, Disney, and then Amazon Prime I pay on the 22nd, and then Amazon Prime Video, which is $11.99. And then I have on the 28th my solar, gas, and utility and court. And then on the 30th I have Apple and Netflix. And then I do have 4 paydays in the month of June. So I have my 2 paydays from my 9-to-5 job, which will be on the 7th and the 21st. And then I have my YouTube paycheck on the 21st as well. And then I have my products I usually pay myself on the 25th of every month. And so excited for that. So also what I'm going to do is I'm gonna highlight all of the bills that go with each paycheck. All right, I think that I did that right. So highlighting is effective because you can easily see like what you have to take care of with what paycheck. So I did, I forgot to mention that it is Father's Day. So I'm sure I'll be getting a Father's Day gift. And then here on the 21st, I have all of these bills that will be paid with the 21st paycheck. So this is an overview basically of what I have to take care of in the month of June. I don't do a itemized budget because I am a paycheck to paycheck budgeter. I'm also working on getting 1 month ahead, and I'm about halfway done with that process. So make sure you guys check out that video that I did post yesterday. I will leave it linked at the end of today's video for you to check it out if you haven't already. But this is pretty much my overview for the month of June. And now I'm going to my other goals page, which is where I jot down my top priorities again, anything that I need to check off, and then so forth. So I'm going to complete this page and then come back and talk about it. Taking a look at the other monthly goals sheet that I have a little bit more on here. So I really need to get consistent with tracking the things that I really need to do, like my water intake, my workout, and then expense track. I've been doing a lot better with my expense tracking. Water, I'm still doing horrible, and workout, horrible. But I just joined a new gym, so hopefully I will increase my working out. I need to create, I need to save money, get 1 month ahead, pay off debt. And these are some of the things that I can check off. I do want to also put my laundry room, almost forgot about that. And then I also want to do a brand deal. Okay, so open up a Navy Federal checking account, expense track, save towards 1 month ahead, add additional funds to debt if I can, no spend, start my summer envelope, laundry room, and then brand deal. Create, create, create. I found a doll sticker. This doll sticker belongs to Gold Mining Coco. And then these are the top priorities, of course: side hustle, 5K, open up the Navy Federal checking account, and then the no spend challenge. The reason why the checking account is a high priority or a top priority is because as I am getting 1 month ahead, I may need to open another checking account so that I can make things easy for me, but we'll see. I'm still working on that. But this is pretty much everything that I do when I set up my 1 month, when I set up my month, right? So I plan out what it is that I need to focus on, looking at the bills, and just, what my top priorities are. And I will be doing the no spend challenge. So make sure that you guys stay tuned for that video, because this no spend challenge is actually going to be a summer edition. So stay tuned for that. But that is it for this video. Make sure that you guys give this video a thumbs up. It lets the algorithm know that you are vibing over here. So if you can, if you thought that this video was entertaining, if you learned something or anything, please, please, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend or family member that you feel may need this or may gain anything. Even if it's just, how to create financial content, or how to create tabletop content, or how to create YouTube content, period. Just share with somebody, okay? Get to sharing, okay? Sharing is what? Is caring. But that is it for this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Go be.
Do you believe? Straight from a party, we're all on a roll tonight. can be sparky.